Now in this video, we are exactly going to solve questions related to ellipse. Now the first question given to you is, in the first question what is given is 16x square plus 25y square equal to 400 given. Now in this question they are telling find the length of, so you have to find length of major axis length, okay, major axis length, minor axis length, coordinates of foci, that is coordinates of foci. Now here you have to find length of major axis, then in this question you have to find length of minor axis. So minor axis, major axis length you have to find. So length of major axis, length of minor axis, coordinates of foci. So coordinates of foci, and then coordinates of foci vertices, okay, coordinates of foci vertices and eccentricity. So these things you have to find, and eccentricity. So these all things you have to find, and the equation given to you is x square, 16x square plus 25y square equal to 400. Now how to deal with this question? First work is divide both sides exactly by 400. So when you are going to divide both sides by 400, so it is exactly coming as 16 by 400 plus 25y square by 400 equal to 400 by 400. So this part is exactly going to cancel. So it is coming as 25 and this part is coming as 16. So now the equation of the ellipse coming here is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. X square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. So this is the required equation of the ellipse. Now when we will compare this with the general equation of the ellipse, so a square is coming as 25. That means a is coming as 5. Now b square is coming as 16. So b is coming as 4. So now we got a, b value, everything. If we are going to compare it with general equation of the ellipse, we got a and b value. We got a and b value as this much. So after getting this value, now what we have to do here, we have to get major axis and we have to get minor axis. So what is the major axis? The first one to get the major axis as 2a. Now 2a is the major axis because here a square is greater than b square and here a is greater than b. I told you when a part will be, this part will be greater than this, that means it is self understood that the ellipse major section is resting on x axis. So the ellipse major section is resting where? The ellipse major section is resting on x axis. The ellipse major section is resting on x axis. Now you just have to write the value of a. A is coming as 5. So the major axis length is coming as 10. Now you have to get the length of minor axis. So how to get the length of minor axis? So minor axis length will be coming as 2b. So b is coming as 4. So it is going to come as 16. Fine. So now this much part is there. Now major axis, minor axis we have done. Now coordinates of foci. So in this case I told you s will be exactly ae comma 0 and minus ae comma 0. S and s dash we have to find. Now we know a but we don't know eccentricity. So now first work is we have to get eccentricity, and for this one we know that when the major part of the ellipse is resting on x axis, eccentricity is coming as root under a square minus b square by a square. So now here what is a? A is 25. So 25 minus 16 by 25, root is there. So it is coming as root under 9 by 25. So eccentricity is coming as 3 by 5. So now only focus coordinate finding is what you call, we got eccentricity already. So just we have to substitute here. A is 5. So 5 into eccentricity is 3 by 5 comma 0. And here s dash is coming as minus 5 into 3 by 5 comma 0. Cancel this one. So it is coming as, focus is coming as s 3 comma 0. S dash is coming as minus 3 comma 0. S dash is coming as minus 3 comma 0. Eccentricity we got. Now coordinates of vertices. So now coordinates of vertices. So you know that here vertex point will be coming as a comma 0 and minus a comma 0 because the ellipse is resting on the major part x-axis only. So vertices will be, coordinates of vertices will be exactly coming as a comma 0 and a dash, that is minus a comma 0. A is 5, so it is going to come as 5 comma 0 and it is going to come as minus 5 comma 0. Done. Only this much we have to do. Now latus rectum, they will be, if they will be saying that you have to find the length of the latus rectum, we are ready to get the length of the latus rectum also. So latus rectum formula is 2b square by a for this, because we already know now when the major part of the ellipse is resting on x-axis, so formula is coming as 2b square by a. So b square is 16 and a is coming as 5. So 32 by 5 will become the length of the latus rectum. So in this way we can be able to solve. So once we have done this part, okay, once we have done this part, now we are going to solve next question. Okay, so what is given in the next question is, the next question equation is given as 3x square plus 2y square equal to 6 is given. So 2y square equal to 6 is given. So just put this 6 on down of this. So it is going to come as 3x square by 6, divide both sides. So divide, when you are going to divide both sides by 6. So now this part is going to come as x square by 2, and plus here it is going to come as, so since 2 by 3, so y square by 3 is coming, and this is exactly going to come as 1. So a square is coming as 2. Now b square is coming as 3. Come on, check this one out. So now when a square is coming as 2, b square is coming as 3. So a will be coming as root 2 and b will be coming as root 3. So now we know that here b root 3 is greater than root 2. So here b is greater than a. So since b square is greater than a, so b will be greater than a. So here b square is greater than a square, that means b is greater than a. So once we got this part, now one by one, that means we learned one very important thing, that here ellipse will be exactly like this. Okay, so now major axis, length of major axis. So what is the major axis here? So major part is this one, so this will become 2b. So major axis, so we know that this part is coming as b0 comma b and b dash 0 comma minus b. So we are going to write that one. So major axis is coming as 2b. So it is going to come as 2 root under 3. Now what is minor axis? So minor axis here will be coming as what? So minor axis is coming as 2a. So 2 root 2 is coming. Now we got major axis and minor axis. Now we have to find eccentricity. So eccentricity in this case, I told you eccentricity will be ulta. So here it will become b square minus a square by b square. So b is what? B is exactly root 3. So b square will be 3. So 3 minus 2 by b square is exactly 3. So it is coming as 1 by root 3 is coming. So eccentricity is coming as 1 by root 3. We got eccentricity. After getting eccentricity, now we have to find coordinates of foci, vertices. So coordinates of foci will be coming as, coordinates of foci will be just opposite now. So be very specific here. It will come 0 comma be and h dash 0 comma minus be. So now b is what? B is root under 3 and e is root under 3. So b and e both are coming 1 by root under 3. So this part is exactly going to come as 0. B part is coming as root under 3 and e is coming as 1 by root under 3. So root 3 will get cancelled, and here it will come as 0 minus, again root 3, but minus part is there. So into 1 by root 3. So this part will get cancelled. So focus is coming as 0 comma 1 and s dash is coming as 0 comma minus 1. So 0 comma 1 and minus 1 is coming as focus. So now vertices. So here you know that, so vertices point will be this point only. Vertices point, major axis point will become the vertices now. So coordinates of vertex will be exactly coming as b, that is 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. So just write this one as b 0 comma root 3 and here it is exactly going to come b dash 0 comma minus root 3. So now we got the coordinates of foci, we got vertices. Now one more work we can do, we can get the latest rectum. So latest rectum formula is exactly what? Latest rectum formula is, here it will become 2a square by b. You know that a square is 2. So it will become 2 root 2 by root 3. So if you will rationalize this one, so it is coming as 2 root 6 by 3. So this will become the length of the latest rectum. So in this way, whenever question will be given, so you can exactly solve and get major axis, minor axis, eccentricity, then foci, then vertices, then length of latest rectum. Maximum they will give you to find this only. So just you have to solve it. First you have to divide and then you have to solve it. Now tomorrow we are going to do the much tougher questions. Okay, so today what I have done is I just solved the basic questions for you.